I'm Akarshan Mishra, and I did IB diploma from Delhi Public School, Ghaziabad. That's the same school that you guys are going to make a decision in about taking CBSE or whether to choose IB. Now, I selected IB because from from the seventh grade, when we were introduced to chemistry, I was very weak in chemistry. So I used to hate, I used to kind of hate it. So and in tenth, like I got my board results, but I was not very satisfied with the marks I got in chemistry in the science subject. So I decided to take IB diploma because of this. Back then, I knew I was doing something new that I didn't know what I'm doing. Like I just knew that IB diploma gives us a choice in subjects. I didn't know its benefits. And then I contacted my senior. His name is Shreya Sharma, and he told me that IB enables us to get the admissions easier abroad and in India as well. It's a very rigorous program. So I took my chances and I took in IB. And in the 11th grade, I took my subject combinations with as a mixture of sciences and with business as well. And it was a unique combination. Like in CBSE, normally you either see students belonging to PCM or PCB or either humanities, but in IB, we have the freedom to choose our own subjects. And this is very helpful as well because I learned this when I applied to my university in Canada. So, like my university had a point system. Basically, every semester you get points, and you need a total of 120 points to get the degree. So what IB enabled me for myself was that I got some score credits in mathematics, business, and computer sciences, and which cut down my course by like 6 months. And I also got a good scholar. I'm also getting a good scholarship now because of IB. And also one major thing was that two of my CBSE friends also applied to the same university, and they applied back in October. But I applied in March, and I got my admission letter in like 5 days. And they had to sit for 8 months without any admission letter or any news from the university. So all major universities in India and abroad, anywhere in the world, they all recognize IB as a very rigorous program. Like even my professor in the university says that IB students are generally the more brighter students in class because we can adapt easily to the higher course loads. Now, one special thing in IB is that we have to research our own work and we cannot plagiarize. Now, it might sound very difficult in the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it comes a long way along with you because in university as well, we have to avoid plagiarism. So if we have a habit of avoiding it from 11th, then I'm sure we'll do very great in the university. As far as the internal assessments, they are pretty hard, but it's like practical knowledge. In CBSE, you just mug up everything. Like in science, you just uh, try to mug up everything and then just throw it out in the exam. But in IB, you cannot do that because we have our I extended essays. We have to write our own extended essays and our internal assessments, which are basically a small research paper, you can say, and that is completely by yourself. And those things, like these things, are the things that the college students do in the second or third year, which we are doing in the IB diploma straight from the beginning. So this is what sets it apart from CBSE a lot, and it helped me as well. It helped me a ton because in mathematics in CBSE up till class 10th, we were taught like the word problems and how to solve the equations, but we were never taught like what's the application of this in the real world. So, but in IB, our whole curriculum is based around the practical knowledge that we could gain. So, in IB mathematics, we have to take an approach like we would take in real life. For example, if you are doing trigonometry, you just don't have to solve the equations and all, but you also have to think of its applications. Like the curriculum teaches you its applications. And one more thing is that in CBSE, we have to calculate everything by hand, right? But in IB, we have to use a calculator because the calculations are much more in depth. Like there are very big calculations which we have to make. And also I was always into computer science from the very beginning, from like I was 10 years old. So I had a great interest in computer science, and I always wanted to apply as a computer science engineer for a computer science degree. And the IB computer science program is like, it makes you ready for the university, because you have to write your own application. That's your own program. You cannot copy the code from anywhere else. It has to be your own. And then you have to document it yourself and then explain it to everyone how you made it. So basically, it's the kind of thing that we do in jobs. Like, I talked to my sister, she's doing her PhDs, and she does the same thing which I did in the IB diploma program. So these are some of the reasons which sets it apart from CBSE, and in my perspective, make it better than CBSE. If you have any questions, you can ask. You can ask me in a question Q&A section of this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akarshan. That was indeed heartwarming.